Hi guys, this is an update on the coin purses that I have made, and if you had watched the video on how I made this, it looks very cute and very easy. It's also good for beginner projects. Now, the number of flowers that you can add depends on how much or how many you want them in your purse. In my case, I just add one on this, so I just made, after working 4 rounds, on the 5th round I added this one flower in here, and it looks so great. And then I also have never told you in detail about how I added the zipper, although you have seen that I sewed it. I have actually secured it with sewing around the edges with the same color of the last yarn I used for this. And so this is how I secure the zipper. I sewed around using hem stitch, so to make sure it will not fray or it will not come out easily. So you can do the same thing if you want your coin purse to be secured, and if in case you're not adding some lining. And I'm gonna show you in the next clip of how I usually add the zipper, and that is the fastest way, I guess, to make it look neat. And I'm gonna show you. So first thing is turn the inside out of the purse, and then sew it on one of the side. Make sure it's 1/4 inch away from the zipper teeth. And then I'm using a back stitch because I think this is more secure when you're sewing the zipper. And then I'm gonna go ahead and work back stitch until I get to the other end. So you need to keep on stitching until you get back around. So once you get back around, you need to pull the zipper into the reverse side or the back side of the zipper, so that when you flip it, it's on the right side. After that, make sure that you have secured the stitches, and I'm just going to work a few more to close the stitch. And then the next thing is I'm going to flip it back. Okay, so this one, there's also a video that I have made on how to make this, and you can just check back on the video tutorials. It's very easy. It's also beginner friendly, and for those who want to just attach the flower by sewing it or adding some glue gun, it's okay. And this is very easy to make. You can add zipper, or if you want, you can just add some snap buttons if you're using this as earphone holder or maybe as a coin purse. So with my two other designs, I added zippers in here because yeah, I want my earphones to be really secured and it will not come out. Okay, but I'm pretty sure that this one is also works fine. So this one is cuter, and some of you might not want flowers, so I'm going to show in my next video tutorial on how to make this one, this time in heart shape. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.